It's a great day for hockey cards, and today we're going to take a look at 2020, 2021 O-Pee-Chee Platinum Hockey by Upper Deck. We should get one hard-signed auto per box, 4 cards per pack, 20 packs per box. There are odds. Of course, the probably the two biggest rookie pulls in terms of value out of here are going to be Kaprizov and Laffy, which, you know, some people have already written that kid off, but who knows how well he'll do in the NHL in the years to come. We shall see. So we're going to get 4 cards per pack, 20 packs per box, of course, seemingly an infinite number of parallels, which are really the fun thing with O-Pee-Chee Platinum. So we're going to start off with Jesper Bratt, and we're going to get a sunset right off the back, an upside down sunset of Brady Tkachuk. These are not numbered. Whoops. Mikhail Berdin and Matthew Barzal. Berdin being a rookie, of course. I saw that the release date for 21-22 O-Pee-Chee Platinum was announced, and I believe it's in March. And somehow I'm doubtful they're going to get that out in March, but I'm hopeful because this is my favorite set. We got JT Miller, Anders Lee, and we've got another sunset. We've got Erik Karlsson and Brady Tkachuk. So it's always fun for me, at least, opening this set. I love to see all the parallels. I generally love the base card design, the shiny card stock. I think they've kind of did themselves a little bit of a disservice with Allure because it's very, very, very similar to this product in terms that it's a, foily card stock, lots of parallels. But who knows? Chris Kreider, there's a Matt Tkachuk Rainbow. There's a Dylan Coghlan Rookie. And we've got a Brock Besser. There's lots of people out there that like to collect the rainbows, if you will, of their favorite players. So they'll try and get like every variation, which I know for 2021, there's also like exclusive variations that are in retail blasters as well. Leon Draisaitl, I think they're the yellows. Josh Norris, that's a retro rookie. There's Connor Ingram. And is that a aquamarine? That is. It's Connor Ingram aquamarine numbered to 499. There's Victor Soderstrom. Marquee rookie. Jesperi Kotkaniemi. We've got a best in the world of Austin Matthews. Sebastian Aho and Jake Ottinger. So one thing that I have seen out of a lot of these boxes that I've seen to open is a lot of the rookies and the autos seem to be, the rookie autos I should say, seem to be from the previous year. Chris Letang, Nikolai Ehlers, there's Alexander Yeltsin, retro rookie, and a Dylan Cousins rookie. So who knows what we'll pull out of this one. But we will see. Rasmus Dahlin. There's a Jack Eichel Rainbow. Mikko Rantanen. And Gabe Velarde Marquee Rookie. So this is the first O-Pee-Chee Platinum product I've opened since we opened that box of 15-16. Which if you haven't seen that one, I would suggest you go back and watch it. Because there's some cool stuff in there. Vladimir Tarasenko. Oh, there's our auto. We've got it's like a matte pink rookie auto of Lucas Carlsson. So the other neat thing about O-Pee-Chee Platinum is they're all on-card autos. And that is numbered to 99. And that is actually one from this year. So that's nice. Artemi Panarin. And we've got Ryan McLeod. John Gibson, Blake Wheeler, And we've got a retro of Sebastian Aho and Brad Marchand. No rookie in that one. So this also tends to be a rookie-heavy set, because it's not a big set, and usually like half of it is rookies. Sergei Bobrovsky, ooh, Bo Horvat, and these used to be called blue tracks. I don't know what they are now. They're yellow tracks. Well, that makes sense. Number 249 of Dr. Dre, Leon Draisaitl. We got Alexander Romanov, marquee rookie. So that's a nice pull. Back in my day, we called those blue tracks because they were blue. Shea Weber, Adrian Kempe, retro of the Nuge, and there's a Chris Tierney. PLD, Connor Brown. There's a Pekka Rinne rainbow. And there's a Kaprizov marquee rookie, so that's one of the nicer ones to get. Which I don't think I had pulled his yet out of this year's. Elias Lindholm, William Karlsson. Here, I believe this is a red prism of Gino. It is, and that's numbered to 199. And there's an Ovi. Jonathan Huberdeau. There's a Cale Makar retro rainbow. He's having quite the year. There's a Petey. And we've got a marquee rookie of Martin Kaut. So I don't know. I know we already pulled our one hard signed auto out of this box. Has anybody ever seen two out of this year's? Is it possible to pull two? Blake Lizotte, Jacob Slavin. There is a rainbow marquee rookie of Nicholas Baudin. And Ryan Getzlaf. Adam Henrique. Got a best in the world of Alexander Barkov. There's Baudin marquee rookie. And Pekka Rinne. Miro Heiskanen. Oh, there's a retro Connor McDavid. That's nice. And then we've got a matte pink of Philip Forsberg. I just really like the way these matte pink cards look. Gustav Lidstrom, marquee rookie. So we got 3 packs left in this box. TJ Oshie, Josh Bailey. We've got a retro rookie of Maxim Letunov. And a Ty Smith marquee rookie. Tomas Hertl. There's a Sweet Selections Peyton Krebs. Those are not numbered. Alexander Barkov and Liam Foudy. Final pack. What magic will it contain? Patrick Laine. We've got a rainbow of Alex Pietrangelo, Stammer, and a marquee rookie of Vitaly Kravtsov. So there you have it. That is 2020-2021 O-Pee-Chee Platinum. Let me know what you think of the break in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.